What's up guys, and glad to have you back. Okay, so right now at the time of making this video, one MEC is currently 6.59 USDT. All right, and the last time I talked about this particular airdrop, I actually explained how you can actually get 1.01 MEC for totally free on signing up. Okay, so if you're just hearing about the Meta airdrop or the MEC token or the Me Pass airdrop for the first time, I'll be dropping the sign up link in the description section below, and also a full guide on how you can earn 6.59 USDT for totally free once you sign up on the Me Pass app. Okay, all you need to do is to create your account and actually make sure you verify your account to actually get this reward. All right, and once you do that, one MEC will be given to you in the fixed staking term right here, and 0.01 MEC will be given to you in your available asset. Okay, but that's not all. There are a lot of other ways you can make money with the Me Pass airdrop that I've also explained in that video. For example, you get in 0.1 MEC for each friend you actually invite that completes a KYC, and that is about 0.6 USDT for totally free for each friend you invite. All right, now that aside, in this video I'll be introducing a new way to actually earn more MEC for totally free. Okay, and this particular method, you're going to be getting about 0.3 MEC token on a monthly basis for free, guys, and you can see it right here where it basically says in 0.3 MEC monthly. All right, now one thing I usually tell people about this particular airdrop is that it is actually a long-term type of airdrop, and the best part is that you can get to earn it for totally free. All right, now at the beginning of this year, when I introduced the Me Pass airdrop, one MEC was trading at around 2.5 USDT to 3 USDT, and fast forward to today, we have one MEC trading at 6.5 USDT, and I'm sure in the next couple of months will be hitting 10 USDT for one MEC very soon. Okay, so if you're looking to accumulate more MEC, you can accumulate for free, and you can also buy and hold. All right, but then let's talk about the new free method that I want to talk about right now. All right, and also note that the MEC token is withdrawable, and you can easily convert it to USDT using the Me transaction. So if you want to know how to withdraw your MEC tokens, I'll also be dropping a live withdrawal video in the description section below, so you can check it out. Okay, now if you look right here, it basically says in 0.3 MEC monthly, click to join. Okay, so we're going to be clicking on this button right here. So this particular event is called Show DE. Okay, so to be able to participate in this event or perform the task, you click on participate in the activity here, and right here to bring out all the information about this particular task. Okay, so this is the participation qualification, which says all Me ID users are eligible to participate in this activity. Okay, so everyone is eligible for this. Now here's the participation method and process. All right, we have the photo show and the video show. Okay, now for each Me ID user, you can participate once per month in each method. So basically you can participate in both methods, but only once in a month. Okay, now for the photo show completion, you get in 0.1 MEC per month that you actually participate in it. Meanwhile, for the video show completion, you get in 0.2 MEC per month you participate. Okay, now it is very easy to perform this task. Now for the photo show, it's basically telling you that you should take a photo showing the E. Okay, now the show E gesture is actually this gesture right here. You can see the finger of this particular avatar right here. Okay, so if you take a picture showing this particular gesture, that's 3 of your fingers this way, and that's how you can basically participate in this. All right, so you make sure the pictures are very clear and they are not blur, and then once you actually take the picture, you post it on your X or your Instagram. Then after that, you'll be required to download the Show the E event poster from the Me Pass app event page and include it in your post. Okay, and to download it, all you need to do is to click on download Show the E poster right here, and you can actually download it into your device. Okay, then the next one says you should edit your post with the following requirements. You should include hashtag like this. Here are the hashtags right here, and you should also add this to your post right here. Then you should tag 2 friends and tag the official page of the Meta Earth. Here's the official page of the Meta Earth. Then once your post receive at least 100 likes in the same month, you should take the screenshot of the content you actually posted, and then you actually come back here and click on this submit for review button here to actually submit your photo for this event. And once they actually verify that, you're going to be rewarded with the corresponding rewards. Okay, now moving on to the video show, it says you should film the show the e video. Okay, then while you're making the video showing the e gesture, make sure that your invitation code is actually very visible. Okay, so you can check this out on the Me Pass app. This is the new event that is currently going on, and a lot of people are currently doing this. Okay, so let's go to our X and actually check out this particular event. We are going to be checking it out with the show the e hashtag. Okay, here are some posts made by some people on X, though this post does not have a picture of them showing the e gesture, so maybe they probably didn't actually follow the guidelines. But let's also check out on Instagram. Okay, and coming over to Instagram, here are some posts on this event. Okay, so I think this particular video actually went with what they actually asked for, and it actually got the required number of likes right here. Okay, so you can check out this event and try and see if it is something you can participate in. So it is very simple and easy, and you can get in about 0.3 MEC token on a monthly basis with this event. Okay, now guys, like I always say, this particular airdrop is actually going to be a very long term something, and this particular token is currently holding a lot of worth right now. And if we look into the next couple of years or in the next couple of months, it could actually be worth more than 6 USDT that we currently have it as. Okay, we've watched this token grow all the way from 2 USDT to 6 USDT today, and we know very soon we're getting to 10 USDT and above. Okay, so that's the main reason why I love talking about this particular airdrop, because I know that the token is still going to actually gain more in the nearest future. All right, so that's basically it for now. I hope you find this very helpful, and remember, you can also earn more MEC token by staking your MEC. We have the flexible term and we also have the fixed term. Okay, so you can check this out. You can buy some MEC tokens and come here and stake it. All right, but notwithstanding, also know that that's not a financial advice. Okay, so I hope you find this very helpful, and if you do guys, please don't leave without smashing the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next update. Have a nice day. Bye.